Well, hello. I just want to take time out to say, if you have a garden, you should be making your own compost, because there's no reason why you should have to spend your money to buy things that you can make yourself. It's not hard to do, and I'm going to show you two different methods that I have to compost my food scraps. So enjoy the video. Alright, before you start any compost bin, you're going to need four things. You're going to need air, water, carbons, that's your paper, your cardboard, and nitrogen, your grain, such as banana peels, grass clippings, and stuff like that. Those are the four things that you're going to need. And then once you get all your stuff prepared, it's a 3-to-1 ratio. It's 3 browns to 1 nitrogen. And also add a handful of dirt. Put all that in there and get it to the consistency of a wrung out sponge. And then start just adding your food scraps and your paper until your compost bin gets full. And the thing about it is, once you get started, nature and science just has a way of breaking things down, and you will be good to go. So you don't have to waste money on fertilizer when you can definitely make your own. But don't add pesticides or any other grass that is diseased, plants or anything like that, because that will kill the beneficial microbes or bacteria that are inside the bin. And everything has a purpose in your bin. It's considered to be part of the web food chain. So don't bother trying to make it complicated. Just keep it simple. Everything's basic, just a 3-to-1 ratio. Now let's go look at those 2 bins that I was telling you about. All right, here goes my Miracle-Gro tumbler. I've been adding food scraps in there and browns. What you do, you keep adding, and this is what's in there. Just put the lid back on tight. Release this locking device right here. And you just tumble it a few times every 2 or 3 days. This bad boy gets heavy too because of the waste and stuff in it. So tumblers do get heavy, but other than that, just spin it a couple times. Put the locking disc back together like that. You just let nature take its course, or you can lock it in the vertical position. It's kind of complicated to do when it's pretty heavy, but that's a tumbler, and they do get heavy. But now let's look at the other one as well. This one here is just a basic trash can. I threw some worms in it. I moved it over. There's crickets and other beneficial things that go in this. Don't know what it looks like inside, but there's sprouts and stuff. And this one here, all I do is just try to fluff her up a little bit to move things around with my pitchfork. Like I said, there's worms in there and stuff, and let's have it on the ground so things can come and go as they please. Like I said, when it comes to composting, just keep it basic and you'll be good to go. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.